This Thumbtack Dragon Egg time lapse shows you how amazing and effortless different colour combinations can be. The UV resin finish applied to the Thumbtacks really makes them stand out and brings the finish of the egg to a whole new level. You can get super inspired by checking out the variety of egg tutorials on this channel. I'm Mel from Two Feathers Gallery. Thanks for joining me in this video, guys. Please like and subscribe to support me and to keep this channel going. We're using nail polish and UV resin, and I would like to say a big thank you to Picture Polish for donating both Mossy and Chameleon nail polish for this egg. To see detailed instructions on how to prepare and paint your Thumbtacks, please see these two tutorials that will teach you everything that you need to know, and click on the links at the end of the video to see those. After painting some Mossy and Chameleon Thumbtacks, then I painted some Thumbtacks with finders keepers and applied a layer of UV resin to the top of the Thumbtacks and let it dry flat in the sun for a few hours before starting to make my egg. Those little tacks there were all the colours that I used if you wanted to try and copy them exactly. And in these bowls I've counted out some leftover Thumbtacks. When you reach about 240 total for a 78mm egg of different coloured Thumbtacks that complement each other, then you'll score an amazing egg that's truly unique without any effort whatsoever. So enjoy watching this time lapse, and please let me know how your eggs turn out in the comments below. I hope you had lots of fun creating your egg. These eggs can be purchased in my Etsy shop if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and please enjoy all of the egg tutorials and time lapses I've made for you by clicking on the links right now.